Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add a signature to Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the 365 version of an Outlook, and to add the signature, you want to go to the file right here, click, and then go to the options, which is on the left bottom, and then go to the mail options. And there is something called signatures, which is right here. You want to click on that, and then as you can see, we have this signatures options right here. You want to go click new one, new, and now you want to type a name of this specific signature that you're creating. So maybe for me it's gonna be signature 1. Okay, and then as you can see, you have selected the name of this signature, and now you can edit the font size. You can, select it to be bolded, italic, or underlined. You can even add some links, as you can see right here, add some photos. But let's just maybe create just a simple signature. So for me it's gonna be HardReset.Info, and maybe some numbers. And as you can see, we can select this, maybe bolded, italic, and underlined. And for example, maybe we can select even the font color, maybe go with the green one, for example. And with the signature you can do whatever you want. Then you want to click save, and then as you can see already, for new messages it automatically sets to the signature 1, and for replies or forwards there is selected none. You can create multiple signatures and select them right here. And for me, let's just click OK right now. Okay, and let's create a new email. And as you can see, the signature already is here. So every time you are going to write a new email, you are going to have the signature that you have just created. Thanks for watching. I hope the video helped. If it did, please hit a like and hit subscribe. Bye!